Some knots look strong, some feel strong, but when it really matters, only one will hold. Today, we're putting two of the most popular fishing knots to the test, Uni versus Palomar. Same line, same conditions, no excuses. Let's see which knot is stronger and break them under pressure. First, I'm tying the Uni knot. I always wet the knot before tightening to reduce friction and protect the line. For this test, I'm using a basic hand scale. First test. It breaks at 5.72 pounds. That's about 2.59 kilograms. And the break happens on the line, not at the knot. Second test. .5 pounds, around 2.83 kilograms. Again, the line breaks. So the average strength of the Uni knot is 5.99 pounds, which is about 2.72 kilograms. Now the Palomar knot. First test. It breaks at 8.91 pounds, about 4.04 kilograms. That's a big difference. And the line breaks, not the knot. Second test. The Palomar knot clearly outperforms the Uni knot in this test. Both knots are very practical and strong. But as you can see, based on these simple test results, the Palomar knot appears to be far more durable. 8.65 pounds, around 3.92 kilograms. That gives us an average of 8.78 pounds, or about 3.98 kilograms. Subscribe for more rig and knot tests and check out the playlist to learn more.